Welcome to Maths with Teacher MJ. In this lesson, we are going to cover the order of operation and how to use the order of operation. So let's start with an example. Here we have an example. It says find the value of 5 plus a square of 24 divided by 6 times 2. But what should we do to solve this? Should we start from the left and work to the right, or should we start from the right and work to the left? Should we start with division, parentheses, exponent, addition, subtraction? Which one of them? Okay, to solve this kind of questions, we need to use a rule, a set of rules that is called the order of operation. But how can we remember this set of rules? To this, we are going to get help from this expression, PEMDAS. Right, some letters that sounds PEMDAS. But how can we remember it? Please excuse me, dear Aunt Sally. You can use a sentence like this, or directly you can remember this. But each letter stands for different operation. The first priority belongs to P. P stands for parentheses. The second one stands for exponent E, exponent M and D. After parentheses, exponent, we need to work with multiplication, D, division. But a question, in a question, if we have both multiplication and division, what should we do? Let's write an example. 4 divided by 2 times 3. Okay. If I start with multiplication, it's gonna be 4 divided by 6 equals 4 times 6, or 2 over 3. If I start with division, it's gonna be 4 divided by 2, 2 times 3 equals 6. Look, different answers. Okay, that is why it is important we follow this set of rules. As you know, multiplication and division, when we have both of them, we need to start with the ones on the left and continue our work to the right. Therefore, this one is true, 6, because we need to start from the left. At first, left division, after that multiplication, 4 divided by 2 times 3. And the last one, A and S. A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Again, if we have both addition and subtraction in expression, we need to start with the ones on the left and work our way to the right. Okay, let's get back to our example. Okay, in our example, we have addition, we have parentheses, we have exponent, we have multiplication and division. As you know, the first priority belongs to P, parentheses. So let's start with parentheses. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. So it's gonna be 5 plus 24 divided by 6 equals 4 to the power of 2 times 2. Okay, what should we do now? We have addition, we have multiplication, we have exponent. The second place belongs to exponent. So we need to work with exponent. As you know, 4 to the power of 2 equals 60. Therefore, it's gonna be 5 plus 16 times 2. Now we have two operations here, addition and multiplication. Should we start with multiplication, or we need to start with addition? Look, PEMDAS, P parentheses, the exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, at first we need to work with multiplication. After that, we can work with addition. So at first, we need to do 16 times 2 equals 32. Therefore, it's gonna be 5 plus 32. And the last one, addition. 5 plus 32 equals 37. And this is our answer. Bye.